Hi learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna's space. Today is the day 57 of our 300 days DSA journey. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it. So today's problem is word pattern. Here we have given a pattern and a string S and we need to find if S follows the same pattern or not. Here follows means a full match such that there is a bijection between a letter in pattern and a non-empty word in S. Specifically, each letter in pattern maps to exactly one unique word in S, and each unique word in S maps to exactly one letter in pattern. So that means no two letters map to the same word and no two words map to the same letter. So now let's understand this problem with the help of examples. As we can see in the example 1, we have given a pattern A, B, B, A and a string dog, cat, cat, dog. And in the output they have returned true because when we are going to map A as a dog and B as a cat, we are going to have a pattern as dog, cat, cat, dog, which is our string, so that's why they have returned true. And in example 2, we have the same pattern but the string is dog, cat, cat, fish. So when we are going to change A as a dog and B as a cat, we are going to have dog, cat, cat, dog, not fish. So that's why they have returned the answer false. And same in example 3 as well. The pattern is 4 times A and the string is dog, cat, cat, dog. But when we are going to map A as a dog, then we are going to have 4 times dog, not our string. That's why they have returned false. So that's what we have to do in this problem. And now let's understand how I approach this problem. So the first thing that I have done is to get the list of words from my string. And for that I have used split function which are going to give me the word from my string. Thereafter I am finding out if my length of pattern and length of my list are same or not. If they are not same, that means my pattern is not going to be matched and that's why I have written false here. But let's say my length of pattern and length of word are same. So now I am going to have a hash map which going to map my character with the corresponding word. And as you can see, I have created a set as well. In the set, I am going to have those words which are already used in my hash map. Thereafter, I am running a loop in which I am getting a character and a word from pattern and from my list. Inside the loop, first I am finding out if my character is already present in my hash map or not. Let's say it is present in my hash map, then I am going to find out if the value of my character is the current word or not. And if it is not, then I am going to return false. And let's say if that character is not present in my hash map, then I'm going to get into the else block and inside the block I'm finding out if my word is already in my set or not. If it is already in my set, then I'm going to return false because the word has already used in my hash map. But let's say it is not in my set, so I'm going to make the character as a key and its value will be the current word. And after that I am going to add that word in my set, and in the last I am going to return true. So now let's take the example 1 to understand it more clearly. So in the first run I am going to have P as a and W as a dog, and now I am going to find out if A is in my hash map or not, which is of course not. Then I am going to get into the else block, and now I am going to find out if dog is already in my set or not, which is not. So now I am going to make A as my key and its value will be dog. And now I am going to put dog in my set. Thereafter I am going to have B, which is also not in my hash map. Then I am going to get into the else block. So now I am going to see if the cat is in my set or not, which is not. So I am going to make B as a key and its value will be cat. Thereafter again I will have B. And now we know B is already in my hash map. So we are going to see if my value of B is a cat or not. And we know the value of B is a cat. So we are going to go move forward and now we will get A. And we know A is already present in my hash map. So we are going to find out if the value of A is a dog or not. And we know the value of A is a dog. So that means we are going to move forward. and we have already completed all the characters and words. So now we are going to come out from this loop and return true. So that's how I have solved this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment. And thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.